Today we're making Korean braised pork ribs. This recipe was introduced by Ryu Soo-young, a well-known Korean actor whose recipes are popular for being simple and delicious. I think many people outside Korea would enjoy this flavor too. And for today's epilogue, I'd like to share some photos and videos from my trip to Japan in 2023. Let's get started. If you can find pork ribs, I think almost any cut of pork with a bit of fat on it would work well. This recipe also uses ketchup, and my nieces and nephews seem to enjoy it a lot. Personally, one thing I really like about dishes like this is how tender the meat becomes after being cooked for a long time. There's something very comforting about that kind of food. Cooking ribs made me curious about something. I wonder how people in different countries feel about eating with their hands. In Korea, we do eat some food by hand, like pizza, burgers, fried chicken, or bread. But for most meals, people usually use chopsticks and spoons. Even with ribs, eating with your hands is completely fine. But if you're in a more formal setting, it can feel a little awkward. Personally, I really enjoy eating with my hands. I think it somehow makes the food feel more satisfying. What about your country? Do people often eat with their hands?
너무 맛있다.
Normally, this recipe uses spicy peppers during the cooking process, but since we were eating it with my nieces and nephews, my sister added mild peppers after the cooking was finished. So feel free to adjust the recipe to your own taste. As I mentioned earlier, these are some photos and videos from my trip to Japan. I really love traveling. Whenever I visit another country, it feels like as if someone changed the filter on the world. Everything looks familiar, but at the same time a little different and exciting. For me, traveling is one of life's greatest joys, so I wanted to share a few of those memories with you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you again soon.